Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the best place for online business owners. Now, today's video is gonna be super different from the usual marketing and business videos. I wanted to create a video that shows you my life right now living in Mexico during the COVID-19 crisis and lockdown and trying to run my online business right here in Mexico. So I received messages from some of you asking me about what life is like right now in Mexico. Are we affected by COVID-19? And I thought it'd be a great idea to record this video and share a little bit about the backstory of why I'm here in Mexico, how I'm still running my online business, what life is like right now where I am due to the coronavirus. So I hope you enjoy this video. So a little backstory, right now I'm actually in a small town called San Miguel de Allende. I actually got here 2 weeks ago. I've been living in Mexico, kind of based there for the past almost 3 years. The reason why I moved to Mexico first was to learn Spanish. And when the coronavirus hit Mexico and North America, basically, what I decided was I wanted to move out of Mexico City, where I was based. It's a huge city, a lot of people, very congested. And so what I was thinking was it's not a great place to be in when there's a virus going on, right? When there's a pandemic going on, because everyone's so close to each other. Houses are small and just jam packed. And what I wanted was to be as far away from people as possible, not as close to them, right? So what I decided to do was to move to a nearby town, 3 hours away by car, called San Miguel de Allende, which is where I am right now. And this town, it's beautiful. So if you don't know, San Miguel de Allende was actually voted the top city in the world by Travel and Leisure back in 2017. So there are a lot of Americans and Canadians who come to San Miguel de Allende, all the time, especially during the winter. So I decided to move down here once, news broke out about, the coronavirus. So in general, in Mexico, a lot of people are kind of either they're really, cautious right now, or they just don't give a damn, right? The thing about Mexico and the coronavirus is that the president here for a long time just kept saying that there's nothing to worry about it. Cases are actually low, but the problem that we're seeing is that they're not testing enough in Mexico. So the numbers are low, but that's because they're not testing. And when you don't test, the numbers will always remain low. So how does it affect the local population? Well, people either they're like, well, the numbers are so low. Why are things getting closed down? Why are you telling us not to go out? So people still party, people still go out. They just don't understand why the government is saying to stay at home or to put on masks. What I'm trying to do is I'm not trying to leave my house at all. That's one reason why I decided to move out of Mexico City, because in Mexico City, I don't even have a balcony. So I will feel super trapped. Even though I work online, I'm kind of used to working from home, but it's a whole different thing, right? Knowing that you cannot leave your house. And so here in San Miguel de Allende, this small little town, we've been ordering our groceries online. We've been ordering, from Uber Eats. We don't go out anymore. We try to avoid even going to the supermarket. So I don't actually know what life is like right now outside of my neighborhood. I've walked around my neighborhood like a couple of times, like a week in my neighborhood, and there's no one around. But I still have my mask on, following protocols. So here's the lake that's near my house right now. But literally that's like, a couple of blocks around where I live. So now in terms of what I do during the day right now, honestly, my schedule, the way I live right now hasn't really changed, because like I said, I've been running an online business for the last 4 or 5 years. And so every single day it's kind of the same. The only difference is right now I just don't leave the house once work is done, right? So typically my day kind of starts off with an exercise. Over here, this is the rooftop where I was telling you where I work out every single morning. Right now the sun is really strong, so you can't really see it. But over there, it's a beautiful view of the lake. How freaking beautiful is this place, isn't it? Working out has really helped me to feel better during the quarantine, because I used to go out running in the park pretty much a couple of times a week in Mexico City. And now that I cannot do that, and now there's no place to go out for to run, they actually closed down a lot of parks. So what I'm trying to do right now is trying to just really take this time to just slow down a little bit and try to read up and try to learn more, because the more I learn, the better I can help my clients. And that's really what I want to do, right? I really want to help the people who need my help. And so I spend 20-30 minutes reading every single morning, and then I start my day. And so that's basically my day every single day right now. That's kind of the routine I'm trying to stick to. But I highly encourage that if you are stuck at home, if you're an online entrepreneur and you're working from home, try to spend at least like 30 minutes working out. I think it really helps. And I also encourage you to just spend this time, besides growing your business, to also work on self-improvement, right? Spend some time reading, learn new stuff, taking courses, spend time painting. I started painting, right? Like I've started, just I used to be an art student, so I've gone back to painting again. But all these things really help just kind of expand your mind right now and just take you off. Life is not all about running an online business, so you do have to take some time off to just kind of improve other aspects of your life as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, just to learn and see what life is like living in Mexico right now during the whole COVID-19 lockdown, and how I'm still continuing to run my online business. Don't forget, if you are new to this channel, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, go hit the subscribe button right now. Now in the meantime, while you wait for my next week's video, don't forget to go check out these two videos to learn more about marketing and running an online business. Alright guys, catch you in the next video.